This is very interesting. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. We have a very interesting geometry question to solve. So please, this is not drawn to scale. Here we have a rectangle, and let's call this center O. Okay. So the question says we should find the area of this rectangle. The area of this triangle is 2, and the area of triangle BOC is 3. Okay, now let us drop a perpendicular here. Okay, yeah, and this will serve as the height of triangle DOC and also the height of triangle EOC, right? Okay, now remember the area of a triangle is equal to half base times height. Half base times height. Now, if we take area of this particular triangle, which is 2, right? So it means that 2 is equal to half. The base is OD, okay? And let's call this ODB, small b. So it's going to be B multiplied by this height, let's call it H, multiplied by H. Alright, so let's call this equation 1. Similarly, looking at the next triangle, this triangle BOC, and this happens to be the height as well. The area given is 3, right? So you can say 3 is equal to half. The base is from here to O. Now let's call this small a. Okay, so we say A times, they're going to share the same height, and let's call this equation 2. Now let us divide equation 3 by equation 2. If we do that, we will have 3 divided by 2 is equal to half A times H divided by half B times H. So you can see that half will remove half, okay? H will remove H. So you can see that 3 over 2 is equal to A divided by B. Now, it means that if we cross multiply, we have 3B is equal to 2A. Now, I want to get the value of B in terms of A. So if we divide by 3 and divide by 3, B becomes 2A over 3. Now, hit the subscription button, okay? Turn on your notification bell if this is the first time you are seeing us. This will enable the algorithm to always notify you anytime I upload a new video. Give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing, and comment, tell us what you feel, actually what you feel about our content. Okay, thank you so much. All right, now moving forward, we have B to be 2A over 3. Now let's go back to this diagram because we have a particular thing I want to talk about here. If you look at triangle ABO and triangle ODC, you can see that both of them are similar. How? Let's check. You can see that vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. So both of them are equal, vertically opposite. All right. Now, if you look at angle B here, it is equal to angle D here because line EC is parallel to AB. So line DB is a transverse. And if that is so, we have what is called the alternate angle or the Z angle. The alternate angle or the Z angle, and they are equal. So if this is A, this is also A. So you can see that angle ABO is equal to angle ODC. They are what? They are alternate angles. Similarly, angle BAO, yes, should be equal to angle OCD. this angle, and this angle, the same z angle or alternate angle. So that confirms that triangle ABO is similar to triangle ODC. So let's write that. Triangle BABO is similar to triangle DOC. Alright? And if that is the case, then we can make use of the area theorem. Area scale factor, sorry. Now let's call this particular place the area of triangle ABO. Let's call it S. Okay, so if we use area scale factor, this area scale factor states that when two triangles are similar, the ratio of their areas is equal to the square of their corresponding sides, the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Now, the area of these two triangles are S and what? 2, right? So you said S over 2. So we can write S divided by 2 is equal to their corresponding lengths is what? A and B, right? That is A over B all squared according to the scale factor. All right, so we have S over 2 is equal to A over, now remember that our B is 2A over 3, 2A over 3 all squared. So we have 3 over 2 is equal to A multiplied by, remember that if you want to change division to multiplication, you take the inverse of what you have here. So I'm going to take 3 over 2A all squared. Now A will remove A, and I'm left with 3 over 2 is equal to 3 over 2, sorry, S over 2. I'm now wondering, where is this 3 coming from? So S is the area of the other one, right? So 3 over 2 squared. So we have S over 2 is equal to 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4. So if we cross multiply, we have 4S is equal to 18. So S is equal to 18 over 4. And S is equal to 9 over 2. Okay? Alright. Now we have gotten S. That is the area of this portion as 9 over 2. So this is equal to 9 over 2. Now I want you to look closely. You can see that AC is the diagonal of this shape. Okay? AC is the diagonal. So, but AC is a diagonal. And that means that area of triangle ACE is equal to area of triangle ABC. Okay? So it means that the area of this whole rectangle will be area of rectangle ABCE will be equal to 2 multiplied by the area of this and this, right? 9 over 2 plus 3. Yeah. So we now have this to be equal to 2 brackets. So this is something as 18, sorry, this is something as 9 over 2 plus 6 over 2. So this is equal to 2 brackets. 9 plus 6 is 15 over 2. So this will remove this and we have that the area is 15 square units. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.